Oh my god, this watch truly looks like a tank. Can you believe we drove a car over it and it still survived? That's an always on display. Yes, its color as well as it's so bright. Did you know this line that you're seeing is actually the speaker?
Hi there, here is the newly launched Firebolt Cobra. It's priced at just 3,499 and it offers quite a lot. Firstly, an AMOLED display that everyone loves. Secondly, Bluetooth calling so you can make and receive phone calls from your watch, and a super rugged design. And from what I can see on the box, this one looks really exciting. By the way, we have 3 units with us. One is black, one is green, and one is camo green. And we're going to do giveaway for all these 3. So watch this video till the end to know how you can win these. So let's quickly unbox it and dive straight in. Let's begin. So here is the retail packaging of the Firebolt Cobra. The one on the left is green and gold, the one in the center is camo, the one on the right is black. Let's quickly open it up. We start with the green one. You have the user manual, we have the watch itself, and some coupon codes from Gaana, Book My Show, Firebolt, and some more. Finally, a pogo pin charging cable that magnetically aligns and attaches to the watch charging terminals. And we have the exact same items in the other boxes. I'm sorry, I forgot to mention, I've still got a really bad throat, so kindly bear with me. I swear on other days I sound better. Anyway, moving on. Alright, let's talk about the build and design. We'll start with this camo green. Wow, this looks so rugged and solid. Love the design. By the way, this camo green color, the strap is also color coordinated with the frame. The frame has this camo design and so does the strap. Buckle design here you can see with Firebolt branding, very nice. The frame is made of polycarbonate but yet feels very rugged and solid. I love this touch of gold that they have given on it. Looks pretty cool. Now if you look on this side, you can spot there's a speaker here which is going to be helpful for phone calls. If you move on this side, you can see there are 2 buttons, one on the top, one at the bottom, and a microphone in the center. Moving towards the back is made of plastic, housing the heart rate sensor, SpO2 sensor in the center, and the charging terminals here below. You can remove these straps and replace them with other bands. Very simple, just pull the hook mechanism to release. Meanwhile, let's check out the other 2 colors as well. So the one on the right obviously is the green, and this one too comes with this gold touch. Looks very nice. And the one on the left is black. And wow, this one truly looks like a tank. This silver gray look on the top is so cool. My god, I thought I liked the camo green, but the black also looks really nice. Now if you look carefully, the straps also come with this nice sporty rugged design. It's not a plain strap, it's got these lines on it. Looks really nice. You've got the same buttons on the side, same back, very well built. Overall, a solid looking watch. Alright, let's quickly pair it. Then you take your phone, go to the Play Store and search for Dafit app. By the way, this app is also available for iOS devices on the App Store. Click download and then open. Come to the second option, add a device. Press this button on the top for a couple of seconds. You'll see the Firebolt branding and the watch will show up here. Click. And there you go, the pairing is complete. Now Firebolt says this is rugged and strong. So we thought of testing it by running a car over it. Of course, I won't recommend anyone doing it as warranty won't cover any kind of physical damage. But we had to try it, so we ran the car over once. There you go, fingers crossed. And voila, the watch is working just fine with no damage. But we aren't done yet. We ran it over again. God save me this time. And there you go, it's working with no damage at all. Pretty solid and sturdy, I'd say. But now I'm saying it again, do not try this at home or even outdoors. Now I want to take a minute and talk about the fit and feel. The watch surely looks big even on my thin wrist, but still it doesn't feel awkward. It's also quite light and comfortable to wear. I guess now that the Apple Watch Ultra, big smartwatches are a thing. It's really comfortable, you won't have any problem wearing it. So let's have a closer look at the display. Now as you press this button on the side, it will turn off. Then you press it again, it will turn on. Now this is a 1.78-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 368 by 448 pixels. Now most of you would want to know about the bezels, so let's press and hold and change a watch face that goes edge to edge. How about something like this? Wow! I can tell you that the color reproduction is simply amazing. Super vibrant colors and deep blacks. Now here you can see this is an edge-to-edge watch face, which means you can see that the bezels are really thin. Actually what Firebolt has smartly done is that this frame covers most of the bezels, making the bezels look actually even more slimmer. Check that out. It's really beautiful and I love the way they have designed this watch. It actually covers the display and protects the display as well. We also wore it outdoors to check for display brightness, and it got bright enough so you can use it easily outdoors. In fact, we switched to a dark watch face as well, and this too was clearly visible. Check that out. So very comfortably you can see the display even outdoors. And here you can see we have switched to an analog watch face, and here it goes edge to edge, giving it such an amazing look. Let's have a quick look at the interface. So you swipe right, you can see the steps, sleep tracking, heart rate, blood pressure, SpO2, weather, and you can add more components like calculator, stopwatch. There's so much more that you can add directly here. Swipe from up to access the quick toggles. You can turn on or turn off the phone calling feature, vibration, torch, movie mode, weather, and you can adjust the brightness directly from here. Go into the settings, you can go to the display settings, you can set the time, display time from 5 seconds to 30 seconds. Menu style can be changed to list style to grid style. I know a lot of people like the grid style, but personally if you ask me, I'm a fan of the list style. Then vibration and ringtone, you can choose the mode, you can change the intensity of the vibration, low power mode, theater mode. Phone call, you can turn the phone calling feature off or on depending on your choice. Call reset, AI voice assistant, screen clock. Now this is basically always on mode, and check out always on mode for an analog clock. Now that's an analog watch face of an always on. This is really good. It's also really bright. Now my favorite part is the digital clock. You are going to be really surprised. The digital clock is actually a colored digital clock. Looks so good. This will stay on all day, all the time. But remember, this will drain the battery a lot faster. So keep that in mind. Then you have Find Phone, System, About. Now you press this button to come back to the home page. Swipe right, you can access these apps. Swipe again, you can access the menu, step tracking, phone calling, heart rate, sleep tracking, SpO2, blood pressure, training, exercise records, weather, camera shutter, music player to control the music that's playing on your phone, alarms. Sadly, you can't set alarms from the watch. You'll have to set it from the app only. Stopwatch, timer, menstrual cycle tracking for women, calculator, flashlight, app download, and settings. And finally, if you press this button at the bottom, you can quickly access your workouts as well. Very cool. Let's check out phone calling. So now we take our phone. We'll go to the phone dialing app here. Phone call, you have recent call, you have dial pad, and you have contacts. We're going to dial pad and we're randomly dialing a number. There you can see the phone call has been dialed. The audio you're hearing right now is from the watch speaker. It's really loud and very clear. You can mute the mic, you can transfer this call to your phone, you can control the volume and end the call directly from the watch itself. Similarly, we can also answer incoming calls directly on your watch. You can see the caller's name, you have an option to reject the call, answer the call, or mute the call. Now as you answer the call, you can talk directly using a smartwatch. You can also mute the microphone, you can transfer the call from the watch to the phone, you can also control the speaker volume directly from here, and you can end the call as well. Talking about the phone call experience, well, firstly, the speaker on this watch can get surprisingly loud, just actually like a phone speaker. We had no problem hearing the other person indoors as well as outdoors. Also, the caller never complained of any kind of disturbance or echo, so I believe that the mics on the watch are pretty good too. I can confidently say it's a solid watch for phone calling. Then we also receive app alerts where you can see the app icon, the sender's name, and the message too, clear and crisp. The watch comes with IP68 rating, so you can wear it at the gym, for a run, in the rain, even in the pool in fact, because this watch comes with swim tracking on board. Amazing. Coming to health monitoring. Well, we placed the watch on the table to check the sensors, and it said, wear the watch and try again. We wore the watch and tested the heart rate sensor, we tested blood pressure, and even SpO2. We got readings for all of these. However, always remember, these are just smartwatches. So use those readings just for your reference and not for medical purposes. Coming to sports modes, this watch comes with over 100 plus workout modes. And to quickly access them, just press this button at the bottom and voila, there you are. You have walking, running, cycling, skipping, badminton, basketball, football, climbing, golf, yoga, fitness, elliptical training, free training, my god. Press the plus sign here. Popular sports, water sports, you have sailing, you have water polo, you have water sports, you have water skiing, kayaking, rafting, swimming, diving, artistic swimming, snorkeling, which means you can easily wear this watch in the pool as well. And of course, when you start your workout, and here you can see the time of your workout, the steps taken, the distance, calories burned, and beats per minute. Swipe right and you can see if it's a heavy workout or a light workout, and further here you can pause the workout or end the workout. Super convenient. Coming to the battery. Well, the battery size isn't mentioned anywhere, but Firebolt claims it should last for about a week. However, remember, it would be drastically lesser if you're using always on mode and Bluetooth calling. In fact, expect just 1 to 2 days with all those features on. Let's have a quick look at the Dafit Companion app. So right here on the home page, you can see all your workout and health related data. Steps, sleep tracking, heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen levels, outdoor workouts. Come to the second option and you can see the battery. You can see the watch faces that you can change instantly from here. Of course, there's also a watch face gallery. If you go in here, you'll find a huge collection of analog and digital watch faces. Check that out. And of course, if you want to set any, just click on it and click download and that watch face will be set. Then you also have an option to set a custom watch face. Like you can take an image from your phone's gallery. There you go, click OK and click save. Custom watch face is set. Then you have notifications. You can choose from which apps you want notifications and from which apps you don't. Set alarms, camera shutter, favorite contacts. In others, you can change the time format 12-hour to 24-hour. You can also change the auto lock time from 5 seconds to 30 seconds. Then quick view, drink water reminder, heart rate warning, weather, psychological cycle reminder, that's for women, menstrual cycle tracking. And if you come here, you can even share data with Google Fit. The Dafit app is already very well optimized. It works really well. Alright, final thoughts. Well, I haven't seen any smartwatch for under 4,000 with this kind of build and ruggedness. I mean, we ran a car over it for God's sake, and it survived. Don't think I need to say anything more. For 3,499, it's already a steal. You get an AMOLED display, you get Bluetooth calling, you get IP68 rating, you get always on mode in color. Damn, go buy it right now. You can buy it from Flipkart. I'll share the links of all these variants in the description. You should definitely check this one out. Alright, something you've all been waiting for, giveaway time. So we have 4 simple steps. First, subscribe to my YouTube channel, TechSing. Follow me on my Twitter handle, Mr. TechSing. Like the Firebolt Cobra post. And fourth, retweet your favorite color and tag 3 friends. 3 winners will be announced when the likes and retweets cross 500. Super simple, but make sure you follow all these steps or your vote won't be counted. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.